if in case you are a micro influencer or you just started your creator journey, trust me, this is another of your sign to keep on posting every single day. I got another PR package from Skin Food in just 1 week. This is my second package from them, and they are willing me to try their newest launch. And I am just so nervous and surprised and happy. This time I didn't even apply for it, and I just got the parcel, and it's just giving me goosebumps that just showing up every single day, just putting out content, sharing your feeling about whatsoever products you like, or sharing your feeling about your life, what's going on in there, it just is justified if you are getting recognitions from brand, from people who are watching you every day, from people who are commenting on your videos, supporting you, showing some sort of support every single day. That is a deal. You just need to make connection with your audience, and connection is the key to start receiving parcels from the brands. The parcels is not just the thing which you want to create videos for, but creating bond, creating relationship with the people who are watching you. That is what ideal content creation journey should be, according to my perspective. That is what I want to do. I want to be authentic, be raw, be very generous enough to speak to my audience and try to help them out if they are struggling with any of the skin concern, any of the hair care concern. I'm not very great with hair care, but this is the first time I am showing up with curly hair, and I actually did this curl. This is not my natural curls. I actually played around with it. Okay, my my conversation is going here and there, but I wanted to show you what I got from Skin Food. So I got their rice brightening toner pad. Remember, I got their carotene toner pad last week, and this is the another one I am excited to try. I love toner pads so much because my skin is too sensitive, so I keep my skin in check and try to use toner every single day so that I don't have any open pores. If you have open pores, of course you're gonna get some pimples, so make sure to use very raw, not very raw, but like very good ingredients which are good for sensitive skin and acne prone skin. So yeah, that's what I do. Another thing which I got is peach cotton zinc PCA pad. Again, another type of toner pads. This is what it looks like. I'm gonna try and give you the reviews on it. So there are two kinds of toner pads which I got. The next thing which I got, I didn't even open this one. Oh, there are two of them. I didn't knew that. Well, surprise, surprise. Okay, the next thing which I got is rice brightening serum. Okay, I never tried this serum before. I did saw it all over the internet. So this is what it looks like. I'm gonna try and give you the review. And I thought I'm getting the cream, but probably I'm not getting the cream, and I'm sorry, I'm just throwing everything down there. Next thing which I got is a peach cotton zinc PCA essence from Skin Food. Again, I think just the toner pad goes along with these essences. The packaging is so cute, and it's very nice matte finish package. I love this. So this is it for today. I got this package, and again, this is your sign not just to keep on posting for just your favorite brands to send you the products and you can try them for free, but also this is a sign that this is how you would recognize your potential to step out in the market and to speak with people, to communicate, to build relationship, and to leave some sort of impact in the influencers market. Okay, that's it. I hope you have a good weekend. Enjoy your weekend. Love you. Bye.